Hi guys, it's Alessandra, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make seitan using vital wheat gluten and the boiling method. Here I have the seitan covered in barbecue sauce and served with some purple cauliflower and some mashed potatoes that I put a lot of spinach in. Maybe more spinach than most people would have added. Okay, the recipe's about to start. Enjoy! First step is to take a large pot of water and salt it. There we go. Now in this bowl I have 1.5 cups of vital wheat gluten flour. I kind of poured it from too high up, so it is all over the bowl, but that's fine. Now I'm just seasoning the wheat gluten flour, starting with some fennel seeds. Now I'm adding a little bit of rosemary, which I'm making sure to crush up with my fingers. Some cumin I'm adding now. I love cumin. Has a little shaker top. And a lot of black pepper. It's good to add big spices because then when you boil the seitan, it'll like puff up more and be less dense. And now I'm putting some whole mustard, so that's whole mustard seeds. And now I'm adding soy sauce, just for some color and because you need a little bit of salt inside of the seitan so that it will boil and puff up with the salt in the water we're boiling. And now I'm adding 1 cup of water. I measured out 1.5 cups of water because I had a brain fart, but you only need 1 cup. Stir everything together. As you can see, I added the water in more than 1 part just to make sure it wasn't too liquidy. I'm using a folding motion and rotating the bowl whenever possible. And when it's all like this, you could kind of just start mixing it with your hands instead of the spoon. It's going to be boiled anyway, so there's not going to be like, you know, bacteria and gross stuff. Plus, I'm sure you washed your hands before starting this recipe, right? Okay, now we're really kneading it. It's getting stretchy. And we could add it to our boiling water now. Now that our seitan is all kneaded and mixed, it's time to add it to our water, which is at a roaring boil. Otherwise, the seitan should not be added. Some ingredients will fall out, but trust me, the majority of them will stay in and it will taste perfect. Just let that boil for 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes, and of course we rotated halfway through to make sure both sides got cooked. And our seitan is all puffed up. But don't worry, once you drain it, it'll be small and perfect. Okay, I've had the seitan sitting on the counter for 15 minutes. It shrank down and lost all of its excess water, which wasn't much. I cut mine up into 6 even pieces, kind of like you would do with scones, and used it for soup, and of course the meal you saw in the beginning of the video. Here's the soup now. And please consider supporting me on Patreon if you have excess income to spare. Thank you.